Yeah, don't I made the King of Seminar video. Look at it. Look at that. They said to watch the girl. Yes. Yes. I can say that. Okay, that's what's important. That's maybe important business. Yes. Yeah, but finding price pretty important too. I can say that. Okay, because person need to know. He need to notice things. Okay, look at it. Look at it. That's beautiful. That's a beautiful bird watching. Yes. Yes. I like underwater, like bird watching. Bird watching from the sea. Okay. I can see that. Okay. Yes. But then the nude beach, mate, there's no like exceptions, mate. You can't understand it. Okay, there anything goes down there. Okay, you can't exclude. You can't exclude. Look at that beautiful bird. Yes. Yes, but I can't feel it. I'm starting to feel it from that bird. Okay, can't exclude when you need. They should print it. They should print it on the t-shirt. Okay, and they take it off. Take it off, then they need to be choken. Sorry. Yes, because you don't exclude when you need. We know that. We know that. Okay. Look at the beauty. Look at the beauty. That's a fancy pencil bed watching. I can say that. Okay. But you most likely want to like take a private tour of my private salary. Yes, my private salary. I can say that. I'm gonna sell you up. I'm gonna sell you up and get you fitted. Get you fitted with a star symbol. Yes, look at it. Look at that. That's a beautiful. That's a beautiful majestic. Yes, and look like a saddle. Only look like a saddle to me. I can say that. Yeah, but you're not worth my time of day. Okay, I'd like to watch the bed through this guy. Look at it. Look at it. Not majestic to me. Yes, but then we'll turn the tide of misfortune. Okay? Maybe by placing like crystals and saddles upon your body. Okay, to open your third eye. Your third eye need to open. Okay? Maybe to open it now, mate. I recommend it like maybe you allow like I don't resist it in my own body. But I allow you to not to resist it too, because you're not want to. You're not want to. Okay, we need to write a settle that fit you. Okay, because I want to sell my feelings. I want to sell my feelings with that saddle. Yes. Yeah, that's a game we can't lose. Okay, like this guy, look at it. Look at the beauty. Look at the beauty in there. Okay. I feel like sometimes I'll put a saddle on you and maybe like a panty. Panty the color of money. A color of money and manure that. Oh. Yes, we got a lot at stake, mate. You need to understand it. Okay? Because there's a lot of rich ladies around here, mate. I can say that. And they know what sells. They know what sells. Okay? They're feeling hungry, mate. They're feeling hungry, but they do sometimes. I can tell you. Okay? I got that to them, Carly. Get to them, Carly, that way. Okay? Yes. Yeah, look, always I'm at a lot to say, give me some sweat equity, mate. Okay? Some sweat equity. Okay? Yes, give me that. Okay, cause sweaty sweetiness. Yes, sweaty sweetiness. Yeah. I can say that. Okay, but I got no customers. I got no customers, mate. Look at that. Look at that. That's beautiful. That's beautiful, mate. The other king put the bumps in the seats. I can say that. Yeah, then it does everything else at once. Look at it. Look at that, I'm getting it. Yes. But I'll tell you a recipe for disaster, mate. That's the king's cooking. That's the king's cooking, yes. Okay, I had to wait one time, a long time for it. Okay, but I bet you it ward off the evil. Okay. It didn't make me well, but I didn't die, okay? Because my last woman, mate, she couldn't cook. She couldn't cook, mate. I set fire to her head, lighting like a candle in her ear, mate. Okay, now she hates me. Now she hates me. Okay? Yeah, but I had heard this. We're even. We're even, man, because that woman got on my nerves. So I can sort it. Okay? Like this guy, look at it. Look at that, mate. Yes, that got a very mate is on his nerves. So I can sort it. Okay, you should have some customers on there. I can sort it to you. They got nothing to do about I can sort it. That's why I keep sending me these videos, mate. I can tell you. I can tell you it's not natural. It's not natural, mate, but I got it with the flow. I'll go with the flow like a beautiful jellyfish. Yes. Yes, I keep watching. Look at it. Look at it. I can sort it. And then, no, I got no customers, mate, because I'll say, mate, I'll show you how to buy quality. I'll show you how to buy quality, so take it to the house, yes, okay? $9 a day stuff, mate, I'm telling you. I'm telling you, no living space. No living space, okay? But this offer can't last, it won't last long, I can set it. Okay, it's expiring quickly, I can set it to you. Okay? That sums it up for you. That sums it up for you in that way. Okay? Then why we need the brass. Then why we need the brass in that way, mate. You start complaining. You start complaining. Look at it. Look at the pity. I can tell you it's a beautiful fish. It's a beautiful fish around that beautiful piece of pity. I can tell you. Okay? But I'm saving it for brass, mate. I'm saving all that type of sweet nothings, mate. Sweet nothings for Brazil. I can say that.